20x Optical Zoom PTZ Camera HDMI, USB 3.0 IP Live Streaming Camera HD, 1080p60fps, Video Conference Camera PO, Supply for Church Services Worship Education, Work with Zoom Team vMix OBS Facebook YouTube, 20x Zoom HDMI PTZ Camera. Our HDMI PTZ camera apply 1 to 0.8 HD CMOS sensor, effective pixels up to 2.38 megapixels, max resolution up to 1920 x 1080, true to life colors and pretty picture quality, 1080p video signals up to 60 pfs, presenting clear and realistic HD video, 20x optical zoom with 61 field of view, accurate and stable autofocus. 20x Zoom live streaming camera is suitable for church, worship, conference, events, online teaching, sport, hospital, live broadcast, studio streaming, HDMI plus USB plus LAN outputs. Our conference camera has USB HDMI and IP video outputs, which can simultaneously output 1080p video at 60 fps from HDMI, USB and IP streaming, effective transmission distance up to 328 feet via Ethernet. Support PO power over Ethernet. You need a PO switch to connect. Video compression format UV, MJPEG, H.264 and H.265. The PTZ camera can live streaming on OBS, vMix, Facebook, YouTube. Compatible with Skype, Temas, Google Hangouts, GoToMeeting conferencing software. IP live streaming HD video streaming directly transits from our TSP, our TMPS, and SRT to online streaming service. You can secure transmission video with low latency. The video camera can power, maintain the integrity and quality of video and control, all over a single Ethernet cable. PO 802.03AF. Supports H.265, H.260 for encoding LAN, which makes the picture more smooth and clear under low bandwidth. You can power, control, set up and preview conference webcam over a single Ethernet Cat5/6 cable. Smooth and high speed. PTZ control the conference room. Camera has a compact metal appearance. Horizontal rotation -175 to +175. And vertical rotation 90 to 90. Multiple control methods such as the included IR remote control, or using RS to 3.2 and RS for 8.5. Serial port serial joystick. 10% via IR remote control. 255% via Visca, Pelco D, Pelco P, and compliant with TCP, IP, RTSP, RTMP, GB to 8181 and other network protocols. Can support advanced functions of live streaming. Eliminate noise high SNR CMOS. Sensor can decrease image noise effectively under low light. 2D and 3D noise reduction algorithms also are applied to reduce image noise greatly, even under ultra-low light. The image is still clean and clear, and video and is 55 decibels, all Tongvio. Video conference camera system is provided. 30 days money back. Any question will be answered within 24 hours. Tips: this meeting room camera is compatible with OBS and supports full control through the Visca serial protocol. However, please be aware that control through Visca TCP or VISC AUDP will be partial limited. While the camera works with bit focus, companion, note that there are currently limitations on the preset function. Our team is actively working on upgrading the firmware to enhance this feature. If you encounter any network control issues, we will reply you quickly. Warmly remind, this PTZ camera has nitrogen monoxide built-in mic, and the room camera default IP address is 19.168.1.05. If you like to connect with the network, you need to change your PC or laptop IP address same network segment with the camera. Please refer to the product page. Video how to the live streaming. Camera connect the IP or network. If you want to PO feed, you need a PO switch with the function of PO power supply. Tongvio is a professional high-tech innovation brand that specializes in video and audio conference products. We are dedicated to integrating product development, production, sales. We focus on product quality and customer experience. Tongvio products are sold to international consumers and have conducted in-depth cooperation to win an excellent reputation and praise. Tongvio, make any meeting better and easier. Tongvio 20x Optical Zoom PTZ Camera, USB, HDMI, LAN IP live streaming camera. The default IP address of the camera is 19.168.1.05. First, Set the local network of the computer to match the camera's IP address, and then modify the camera's IP on the website to match the original local network of the computer. Please be careful not to set the same IP to that cannot be set. 20x Optical Zoom Live Streaming Camera. Living Streaming Camera. 20x Optical Zoom USB HDMI LAN PO Feed Live Streaming Camera. When you choose PO Power Supply, please make sure that the switch has the function of PO Power Supply. Tips: the camera is compatible with OBS and supports full control through the VISCA serial protocol. However, please be aware that control through VISCA TCP or VISCA UDP will be partial limited while the camera works with bit focus companion. Note that there are currently limitations on the preset function.